Hi, I'm interior designer Vanessa Deleon. I specialize in high-end residential, commercial, and hospitality interiors. And today we are shopping at AJ Madison. I am personally designing my own dream home. Follow me for the journey. And the first space we're gonna start with is my kitchen. So in this space, I really wanted my kitchen to feel like a living room. I wanted it to feel like part of the extension of the home. I wanted it to feel like furniture, like millwork, and I wanted a lot of the appliances to sort of disappear within the foreground. I've had galvanite in the past, and I absolutely love it for multiple reasons. I never had a service issue, but what I even love most is that it's stainless steel interiors. I love the stainless steel because my husband is a chef, and I love the fact that it just feels like we're in a working restaurant kitchen, but we're in our residential kitchen. Designers always start with an inspiration, and the inspiration from my personal kitchen was L'Arcouneau. Classic, elegant. Here we're seeing a 36-inch one-panel oven. What I love about this, we made this range look super massive because we added the side accessories to it. What I did as far as the color combinations, gold, bronze, and chocolate, and you would see that through the cabinet spilling out to the bookends of the actual stove. And then you get to change up the tops. You can do the griddle, you can do panels. There's endless possibilities that you can kind of play around with. I feel historically, we're always talking about appliances in a kitchen, but we're gonna take it outside the kitchen. For example, I have a beverage refrigerator in my master suite. I want it to feel like I'm in a luxurious hotel when I get out of bed. I also love the fact that I could keep a lot of my creams in that same refrigerator that's in between my bedroom and my closet. Love these under cabinets from KitchenAid, and I love the fact that they got creative with some of these colors. So I love my True products. I personally have them in my outdoor space, in my bar, and now I'm bringing it to my dream home outside. This grill happens to be a True Caliber Rockwell collaboration that I absolutely love. I entertain, and one thing I hate is to have the top of the grill being exposed when you're entertaining, especially when you're in an open area. This gets tucked away. Look how seamless this looks. Love the fact that you can change up the colors. Last but not least, the laundry room. This room always becomes the forgotten space. I want to walk into the space and see a full run of cabinets with beautiful detailing, tile floor, and the stacked LG washer and dryer. The one thing I love about the LG stackable, one, it comes in this beautiful green color that I loved and fell in love with because that was the inspo for the space. Two, the aesthetics. Just the overall aesthetic to this is very clean, especially that I'm doing a stackable. I'm doing two of these side by side. So I wanted this to feel as flush as possible. And I'm also doing millwork around here. So this is gonna be enclosed in cabinets. We want this to feel like a full installation with the cabinetry. AJ Madison is a great resource, not only for myself as a designer, but for my clients, yourself. This is a space that you can really walk around and compare and contrast different brands. And obviously touching and feeling things is really important. Their website is beautiful, but to actually feel the robustness of some of these fixtures and appliances, to me, for my clients, it's just the sale that happens right here. If you want to find out more about my work, it's vanessadeleon.com. or my Instagram handle at VDA_designs. Thank you for following me and my personal home journey here at AJ Madison.